Okay, so we've got left and right now. So let's add up and down. So I'm going to move over this section here. So we've got left and right here, left here, right here. I'm just going to duplicate this twice. There we go. Now, the first issue to notice is that we need to change if the key is the left arrow. Here we want to go up. So I'm going to right click on here and I'm going to go up arrow. And then on this one here, this is going to be our down arrow. So we've got right here, left, go right here, go left here, go up here, go down here. So these two are done at the top. Now we're not doing X because X is going this way or going right, which is the positive, or going left, which is the positive. What we want now is the Y, which is going up or going down. So let's sort this out. So first we need to remove the change X by 10. So we're going to take that out and we're going to delete that. And we're going to head over to motion and we're going to do change Y by 10 and slot it right back in there. So that's perfect there. Now I'm going to go over to the down arrow one and I'm going to change X by 10, take that out and delete it. And I'm going to go back to motion, which is already here, and change Y by 10, but this is going down, so it's negative. So we want to put a minus in front of the 10. There we go. So now we have that done. Let's press the green flag and see if that works. I'm going left, I'm going right, I'm going up, I'm going down. Left, right, da, 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 da. So nice and easy process to follow that, make those changes yourself, and you would have added in this motion for y-axis, you would have changed the if and then statement. And once you've done all of that, come back to the next video and I'll see you there as we continue.